Hey beautiful people, it's Courtney. Welcome back. Today I'm doing another 100% honest slime shop review for underrated slime shops. So if you have a slime shop and would like me to also review your shop, you could send me a DM on my slime Instagram and I will check it out if you would like to send a package. I'll share with you all the details. So before we get started, I am having a $250 Visa gift card giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to this channel and my slime channel, which I'll show you in the next little picture, and also follow both of my Instagrams. I will link all of that down below, and it's going to end on May 24th. So also I have a new slime Instagram like I was just talking about, and I will link it down below. I've been posting every day on there. If you love slime ASMR, definitely make sure to go check that out. So I'll leave all the giveaway details and my new slime channel down below for you guys. So first package is from Magical Slimy, and I loved the extras that she sent with this package. She sent some Sour Patch Kids, some Starburst, and also some Warheads, which are like all my favorite candies. She sent a ton of borax, and here are the slimes I received. Now when I do these reviews, I normally only do 3 slimes, so the 2 smaller ones I'm not going to be reviewing. They're just like little extras. So everything was packaged well and nothing leaked. It was in some nice Ziploc containers. The only little mention that I would point out just for like quality wise would be maybe to get some like printed labels instead of handwritten labels. But that's just like a little minor thing that I like to point out. Of course, I always like to share like the positives and room for improvement, as I would with a famous slime shop, and you know, all of that. I like to try to give helpful feedback. So this slime was so pretty. I loved the mixture of colors, and it mixed into actually a really pretty green color. I thought it was going to be brown, so I was pleasantly surprised that it mixed into a green color. It smelled like coconut. It was a little bit on the sticky side, so I just had to activate it a little bit, but that wasn't her fault at all. This was the first package I received, so I had it at my house a little bit longer than the other ones because I was waiting to get some other packages in. So the stickiness, not a problem whatsoever. Overall, I really liked this slime, and also I thought I should mention, of course, as always, both of these slime shops I'm going to be reviewing are going to be linked in the description box below as well. It also wasn't completely full to the top. It could have used a little bit more slime, but it wasn't like that noticeable. So the next slime is called Light as a Feather, and it is a white butter slime. This one was really fun to play with. It was a tad bit sticky. I did have to activate it, but it was a really nice butter slime. The only thing is it is just a white butter slime, so I would have maybe liked to see some sprinkles or glitter or some color, or you know, just a little bit of something extra. This was unscented as well, and so yeah, this one was really fluffy, really fun to play with, and it was a really awesome, good, spreadable butter slime. The last slime is a clear slime, and this one was actually an amazing consistency. It was like a thick, holdable putty, but it was still stretchy without it ripping, which I liked a lot. And she sent some glitter as well with it. And so as you could see, the slime was like completely cleared up, and it was really pretty to add the glitter into it, as you'll see me do in a second. But as you could see, it's super holdable. I really liked this one a lot. It wasn't sticky. It didn't leave any like clear slime residue, crumbs like it could do sometimes. So I liked this one a lot. I think the addition of glitter was like perfect. Otherwise this would have been a little bit boring. It would have just been like clear slime, but add in the purple glitter and I think it was just so pretty, and it gave such a pretty effect. But the texture was amazing. This was like one of the best clear slimes that I've played with in a long time. So I liked this one a lot. This next slime package is from slimelol.us. So first we have some extras, which I'll get to in a second. We have a smaller 4-ounce slime, a little sample slime, and then some 2 8-ounce slimes. So I'm going to be reviewing the 3 larger ones like I did in the last package. But first let's take a look at the extras. So she did send some Tide, which was a nice thought, but it did leak. So liquids aren't really the best things to mail. So borax just works a lot better to send as extra activator. But then I got some Now and Laters, some Jolly Rancher Chews, which I love both of those, and a little squishy, which was super cute. Her directions were handwritten, which was cute, but to be a little more professional, I would just print out some because it was cut kind of crooked. So we're going into this first slime, and again, the tape, it had nice labels, but the tape kind of ripped it off. So if you're going to use tape, I would always say to make sure it doesn't stick on your labels. That way your labels don't get ruined. But that was just a little side note. This did have a little piece of hair in it, and you guys know this is kind of like my slime pet peeve. I just hate finding hairs. I'm grossed out by hairs no matter where I find them. Hotels, rooms, slimes, you name it. I don't know. It doesn't bother some people, but that's kind of like my pet peeve. So I did find a hair in this one. I did also have to activate it some, but it had a really nice thick texture to it. It was a bit sticky. It did get kind of a weird clumpy texture when I did activate it, and even though I only activated it a little bit, it was still sticky, and I don't know what happened with the texture. Maybe because it was activated previously with Tide. I don't know if that would play a role in that. But overall, it was a nice slime, and the only other thing was it didn't unfortunately fill up the container completely, as you could see here. So it was missing a kind of decent amount, I would say. This next slime is called Fluffy Pink Cloud, which is kind of deceiving because it's not a cloud slime, but I loved this one. This one had a really awesome texture. It was a clear based slime foam, and the only thing I will point out is this one also had a hair in it, which you guys know, just, I don't know, I can't do it. I have to take it out. Grosses me out. But it has a really cool texture, and I loved the glitter she included with this one because it was really pretty, and I just really loved this one. It was super crunchy and really fun to play with. I didn't need to activate it. It was already perfectly activated, and this one was really nice. This one and the last one, all these slimes are unscented, but I really loved the texture of this one. It was great. The only other thing was this one also wasn't completely full, which I'll show you in the last clip of this. So these, I don't know if they shrunk or just weren't full all the way, but they definitely could have used a little more slime in each container. It was definitely still missing some, so you can see in the end, I'll show you that as well. Last but not least is Hot Cocoa, which is this brown foam slime, kind of similar to the last one, but this is made with white glue, I believe, and this was on the sticky side, so I definitely had to activate it. I think the clear glue kind of helped the last one not be sticky. It always helps to slightly overactivate your slimes before you ship them. That way it will kind of go to the original texture, but you also have to be careful with that you don't overactivate it too much and then it arrives to your customer stiff. So you have to try to find that balance, and that just comes with trial and error. So it was a little bit sticky, no big deal. I just activated it, and this one was super crunchy as well, super stretchy, super crunchy. I liked this one a lot. I think it was really pretty, and again, this one was also unscented. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I will link all the shops and also the giveaway details down below in the description box for you, so definitely make sure to check that out, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!